Hey guys, so Dr. Sammy here from Ocean Aesthetics. I'm one of the injectors here at the clinic, one of the doctors, and I have just been asked to answer a couple quick questions that y'all might have about Botox or anti-wrinkle injections. I absolutely love coming into clinic every week because I get to see the beach and the ocean. And a lot of people think that just because we've opened up a new clinic in Letterkenny that we're leaving Marorty, and I just want to nip that in the bud because that's absolutely not the case. We're still in Marorty here, okay? So we're in both locations, so whatever is more convenient for you. All right, we're all about the convenience. So I suppose in terms of the highlights here, the first question is, where do people get Botox or where can be injected? The most common, you'll see advertised like the 3 areas, and that refers to the frontalis, forehead lines, the glabella 11s or frown lines, and crow's feet. Okay, so side of the eyes here. I mean, those are the 3 areas. Things that can, or other areas that can be injected include bunny lines, kind of in the nose, your marionette lines, your perioral lines. You can inject the jaw, especially for like bum or teeth grinding or TMJ pain. We inject the underarms for hyperhidro excessive sweating. We can also inject for migraine, and we would also talk to you about certainly what your views are, because there are alternatives to Botox as well. So in terms of alternatives to Botox, there's things like microneedling, which can help, especially if you're looking to improve the skin's integrity and the quality of your skin. There be filler, especially if you have kind of deep lines. Filler can help to reduce the appearance of them. Okay. And there's a few other things that we can do. So the main thing is getting a clinician that you trust who can go through your different options with you. Can Botox lift my eyebrows? So yeah, you can do a brow lift with Botox. Okay, that's absolutely something you can do. And then another question that's really common people ask is, what's the timeline for Botox? So we get a lot of question of, oh, hey, I have a party or a dinner in a week's time, so when's the best time for me to get the toxin? Can I get it now before this big event? And ideally, we're talking 4 weeks before your big event, okay? It takes 2 weeks for you to get the full effect, okay? And then at 2 weeks, we're going to be bringing you back in for review, because some people, our muscles are all a little bit different. We want to make sure we're providing you the symmetrical results, so you don't have like a little bit of movement here. We want to make sure that you don't have any like brow ptosis or lid ptosis. We also want to make sure that you have the full effect you're looking for. So sometimes if your facial muscles are particularly strong, especially for men, we have to go in with a higher dose of anti-wrinkle injection toxin. And so for that, we're looking at bringing you back in for a review for, maybe a tweak or an adjustment. And then it's going to take 2 weeks to see the results of that tweak or adjustment. So you're really talking 4 weeks before a big event. So what does that mean? I know it's a little early to be saying the C word, but Christmas, if you're looking to get toxin for the holidays, really November is when you should be booking for, okay? So do make sure you book in. So look, those are the main questions that we get asked. I'm conscious that I've been talking for almost 6 minutes now, so well done if you've listened to the end. And certainly, look, if I didn't answer your questions, or if you have anything else you'd like to ask us, just pop it in the chat below or send us a message. Okay, thanks, bye.